iCloud backup not working on your iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix the problem if your iCloud backup not working on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Well, so iCloud backup not working problem can be happen for several reasons. First thing first, we're just gonna check out the settings of the iCloud. Open up the settings app from your device and then tap on the iCloud at the very top right here. Now once you're here inside your Apple account, you just need to scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now once you're here inside your iCloud settings, you just need to scroll down and you'll get to see the iCloud backup. You just need to tap on this one and make sure you have enabled the backup this iPhone. It should be toggled on. If it's already toggled on, go ahead and turn this option off. Tap on turn off and wait around 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back on. And also you can tap on backup now, this button, in order to back up your iPhone directly from here as well and see if that fixes your problem or not. Let's say you did this process where you're still having the problem, then this is the time to check out your internet connection. Swipe down for the very top and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection if you're using Wi-Fi then, or if you're using cellular data, then make sure you have a stable internet connection, or even you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. And right after that, simply go ahead and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This will actually slightly restart your network system, and most likely this will fix your problem. If this process also doesn't work for you, then follow the next process. Open up the settings app from your device and then tap on this Apple ID at the very top, and then scroll down, tap on sign out button and go through the process and sign out to your Apple ID. Then get back from here and then restart your iPhone. You can tap on this virtual home button, device, more, restart, and tap on restart in order to restart your iPhone. And even you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And once you're done, just get back from here and open up the settings and go to this Apple ID and log into your Apple ID again, because sometimes signing out and signing in your Apple ID can fix this problem. But let's say you did everything but you're still having the same problem over and over again, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings application once again from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset network setting, the second option, and then put your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network setting. But make sure this will reset all of your network related settings and it will get back to the default. And once you do that, you just need to enable your iCloud backup once again, and most likely the problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.